Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Original Botanica. I'm Tatiana, and today we're going to talk about something that is deeply sacred and extremely powerful, the Seven African Powers. You may have seen candles and statues or other spiritual products that represent them and their likeness and wonder to yourself, who are they? What energies do they represent and how do I connect with them? Well, today we're going to be breaking it down in a simple and respectful way. This is your beginner's guide to the Seven African Powers. The Seven African Powers come from the spiritual traditions of the Yoruba people of West Africa. In Yoruba spirituality, divine energies are known as Orishas or Orisha. These Orishas represent natural forces within the universe, things like the ocean, thunder, wind, wisdom, and protection. When the Yoruba people were brought over to the Caribbean and the Americas during the transatlantic slave trade, their spiritual traditions continued and blended with other religious traditions, especially Catholicism. Over time, the concept of the Seven African Powers became a way of honoring several of the most prolific and widely revered Orishas together. One of the most important Orisha is Elegua. Elegua is the guardian of the crossroads and the opener of roads. In many traditions, nothing begins without acknowledging Elegua first. He represents opportunity and movement and communication between the spiritual and physical worlds. People call on Elegua when they want to remove obstacles, open new doors in life, or find direction when they are feeling stuck. Next, we have Obatala. Obatala is one of the most respected Orishas. Obatala represents wisdom, purity, peace, and spiritual clarity. He's often associated with calmness, fairness, and thoughtful decision making. Many people pray to Obatala for emotional balance or helping seeing a situation clearly. Next, we have Yemaya or Yemaya. She is the great mother and closely connected to the ocean. She represents a nurturing energy, emotional healing, protection, and motherhood. She would be the one if you're having fertility issues. Many people turn to Yemaya when they need emotional comfort, protection, or strength for their family. Next is Shango. Shango is one of the most well-known Orishas and powerful, to say the least. He is associated with lightning and thunder. He is associated with leadership and personal power. His color is usually red. Shango represents confidence, justice, and a determination like no other. People often call on his energy when they need the strength to stand up for themselves or overcome obstacles. Oshun is the Orisha of rivers, of love, of beauty, of prosperity, of the sweet waters, the fresh waters. Her energy is warm and magnetic and nurturing. She represents joy, creativity, romance, and abundance. Many people connect with Oshun when they want to attract love, improve their relationships, all types, or even invite sweetness and prosperity into their lives. Oya is the Orisha of wind and storms and transformation. She represents powerful change, the kind that clears away all that no longer serves you and in your life. Oya's energy is about movements and rebirth and spiritual growth. People often call on her when they're going through a major life change or transition. She is also the Orisha of the marketplace of business. Finally, we have Ogun. Ogun is the Orisha of iron, of strength, of protection. Ogun represents determination, resilience, and the warrior spirit. He is often called upon for protection, for courage, and the strength to overcome life's obstacles and challenges. When the seven African powers are honored together, they represent balance across many different aspects of life. Each Orisha brings a different kind of energy. Together, they represent a powerful spiritual support system. If you're new to working with the Orisha and the seven African powers, you don't need a complicated ritual to begin. First, create a quiet space where you will not be disturbed. Light a candle dedicated to the seven African powers. Take a moment and take a deep breath and center yourself. Then speak your intentions clearly and respectfully. Seven African powers, guardians of wisdom, strength, love, and transformation, I honor your presence and ask for your guidance. Open the roads before me, protect my path, bring peace to my mind, love to my heart, strength to my spirit, and clarity to my journey. May your wisdom guide me and your protection walk beside me. Thank you for your blessings. The seven African powers reminds us that we are never alone on our spiritual journey. Ever. Each one represents a different force of life, wisdom, protection, love, strength, and transformation. For beginners, the most important thing is to approach these traditions with respect, gratitude, and sincere intention. If this video helped you with understanding the seven African powers a little better, make sure to subscribe, like, and share with someone else who may be curious about these sacred traditions. Thank you for joining me today at Original Botanica. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more spiritual guidance. Until next time, remember to honor your path and embrace the magic.